Hello everyone. Let's talk about boosting server performance. Today we're diving into the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR4 kit, specifically designed for servers and workstations. This kit comes with two 32GB sticks running at a speedy 3200 MHz. It's PC4-25600 rated, operates at a cool 1.2V, and has a CL22 latency. NEMIX RAM positions itself as a specialist in enterprise storage RAM. So this kit is aimed squarely at those needing reliable, high-performance memory for demanding tasks. It's ECC unbuffered UDMM, which is crucial for maintaining data integrity in server environments. The kit is also compatible with the Dell PowerEdge T150 server, which is great news if you're running that particular machine. The big promise here is enhanced performance. NEMIX RAM emphasizes that memory upgrades are the easiest and most cost-effective way to speed up your computing environment. They're not wrong. More RAM means your server can handle more concurrent tasks, larger datasets, and generally operate more smoothly. Installation is also touted as simple. NEMIX RAM suggests that most users can install the memory themselves in just a few minutes. Of course, always refer to your owner's manual for specific instructions, but generally, it's a pretty straightforward process of opening up your server, locating the memory slots, and snapping the new modules in. NEMIX RAM backs its products with a lifetime replacement warranty, which is a significant commitment. It shows confidence in the quality of their memory. They also offer support from an IT staff that understands memory upgrades, which can be invaluable if you run into any issues. The claim that once you install NEMIX RAM you won't need anything else is a bold one. While it's true that a RAM upgrade can significantly improve performance, it's important to remember that it's just one piece of the puzzle. Your CPU, storage, and network configuration all play a role in overall server performance. However, if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance memory upgrade for your server or workstation, the NEMIX RAM 64GB DDR4 kit is definitely worth considering. The ECC support, lifetime warranty, and compatibility with popular servers like the Dell PowerEdge T150 make it a compelling option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.